The secret to next level cooking? It's not just skill, it's the tools. Today, I'm showing you some of the coolest kitchen gadgets on Amazon that are so good, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Seriously, once you try these, there's no going back. And as always, you'll find links to everything in the description below. Let's jump in. Instead of standing there peeling potato after potato, you simply secure it in place and let the machine do the work for you. The blade automatically follows the shape of the potato, helping remove the skin with very little waste. It also works on plenty of other fruits and vegetables, which means it doesn't end up as a one-trick gadget collecting dust in a drawer. Commercial almond and oat milks are often packed with artificial thickeners and chemical preservatives. This brilliant countertop machine automates the soaking, blending, and straining cycles internally, delivering fresh, creamy, all-natural nut milk in under 5 minutes. Watching a beautifully cooked holiday dinner turn cold while waiting for late guests is incredibly frustrating. This flexible heating mat rolls out across your counter to keep multiple dishes at perfect serving temperatures, then rolls up tightly to vanish inside a drawer. Hand squeezing a dozen lemons for fresh lemonade leaves your wrists sore and your counter sticky. Utilizing effortless mechanical leverage, this commercial-grade cast press extracts every last drop of juice instantly while keeping seeds and pulp entirely out of your glass. Dragging out a massive, heavy food processor just to chop a single onion is rarely worth the cleanup effort. This manual press chopper cuts veggies into perfectly uniform pieces in seconds, trapping the irritating vapors so you can finally skip the teary eyes. This high airflow indoor machine combines the rapid crisping power of an air fryer with the intense heat of an outdoor grill. It delivers authentic char marks and crunchy textures without filling your entire kitchen with smoke. Why crowd your counters with 5 different bulky appliances when one smart machine can do it all? This touchscreen cooking system guides you step by step through complex recipes, weighing ingredients, blending, and steaming your meals automatically. Ladling pancake batter with a traditional spoon almost always ends with sticky drips scorched onto your clean countertops. This spring-loaded clear dispenser releases flawless, controlled portions for pancakes and cupcakes with a simple squeeze of the handle. Toddlers love building independence, but standard sink faucets are simply too far back for little arms to reach safely. This flexible silicone extender routes the water stream forward, making hand washing accessible without causing giant puddles on the bathroom floor. Brighten up a dull afternoon routine with a touch of whimsical design. This whistling tea kettle pairs beautifully with a matching mug that features a clever lower shelf built specifically to hold your favorite cookies and biscuits cleanly. Getting sticky lime juice all over your fingers just to dress a single dish is highly annoying. This compact juicer lets you twist citrus directly into a small seed-filtering base, complete with an airtight preservation lid so you can store leftovers for later use. Spreading tissue-thin crepe batter evenly in a traditional heavy skillet is notoriously difficult. This non-stick electric pan makes it foolproof. Simply dip the preheated surface directly into the batter tray, flip it over, and watch a flawless crepe peel away cleanly. Preparing a main dish and a side separately means one is usually cold by the time the other finishes. This dual pot cooker runs 2 completely distinct cooking zones simultaneously, utilizing smart syncing technology so both sides complete their cycle at the exact same moment. Standard lamps take up precious table space and rarely look modern. These geometric, touch-sensitive LED panels snap together in any customized abstract pattern you choose, responding to your hands to shift the entire room's mood instantly. Traditional static dusters simply spread allergens around, while expensive canned air runs out fast. This pocket-sized turbo blower releases an incredibly powerful jet of high-velocity air, blasting stubborn dust and crumbs out of keyboards and delicate electronics instantly. This is a major engineering upgrade over the cheap plastic water toys of the past. Featuring automatic motorized water priming and rapid-fire pressure bursts, this rechargeable water blaster brings epic, high-tech fun to your next summer backyard gathering. Standard burners offer terrible micro-temperature control, leaving you to constantly adjust the flame. This sleek induction cooktop delivers hyper-precise heat distribution instantly, serving as the perfect extra burner for holiday cooking or compact RV travel. Tearing through a messy drawer filled with crumpled plastic wrap and loose bags is an instant mood killer. This clear, wall-mounted dispenser organizes your food covers visually, saving your patience and showing you exactly when it's time to restock. Storing your grains in floppy, open plastic bags invites unwanted moisture and household pests. This sleek countertop bin holds up to 22 pounds of rice securely, dispensing a precise, pre-measured volume cleanly into an integrated washing cup with a single press. Slicing individual cherry tomatoes or loose grapes one by one for a salad is a tedious waste of prep time. This clever handheld cutter divides small fruits into clean quarters with a single downwards press, keeping your fingers completely safe from sharp blades. Don't haul out a giant multi-piece blender setup just to mix a quick single morning smoothie. This compact powerhouse pulverizes ice and tough coffee beans instantly, blending directly into a durable travel cup so you can grab it and head out the door. Fishing out soggy, wet food scraps from a clogged sink drain is easily the grossest part of doing dishes. This flexible corner bracket holds a disposable mesh net to catch waste instantly during food prep, letting you lift and toss the mess away without ever touching it. Peeling a massive pile of garlic cloves or tiny fruits leaves your fingers smelling pungent and takes forever. This enclosed electric chamber uses rapid skin stripping rotation to peel your ingredients completely in under 15 seconds flat. Trying to prop up your tablet on a pile of loose couch pillows is a recipe for constant frustration. This plush lap pillow features a sturdy, multi-angle adjustable arm to position your screen perfectly at eye level, complete with a built-in snack bowl for the ultimate movie night comfort. Standard dual basket air fryers are massive horizontal counter hogs. This space-saving vertical redesign stacks the cooking compartments using a smart built-in timer that synchronizes both zones so your main dish and side finish cooking at the exact same second. Enjoying classic s'mores shouldn't require packing up for a camping trip or dealing with open outdoor flames. This flameless electric tabletop heater toasts marshmallows safely indoors, featuring compartmentalized trays to keep graham crackers and chocolate neatly arranged. Soggy, piled-up hand towels are an unhygienic eyesore in a busy bathroom. This sleek, high-velocity residential hand dryer brings commercial-grade drying speeds into your home, dropping your paper towel costs to absolute zero. Twisting manual pepper mills while trying to stir a hot pan is an awkward balancing act. These gravity-activated electric grinders switch on automatically the second you flip them over, featuring a built-in downlight so you can see exactly where the seasoning lands.